Good evening, children. Last class, I explained about nutrition. అంటే తెలుగు పిల్లలు వినండి పోషణ న్యూట్రిషన్ ఇన్ ద ప్లాంట్ న్యూట్రిషన్ యానిమల్ న్యూట్రిషన్ అంటే మొక్కల యొక్క పోషణ జంతువుల పోషణ గురించి చదువుకున్నాం. అందులో ఈరోజు చదువుకునేది ముఖ్యమైన ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే మెటీరియల్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ మెటీరియల్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ప్లాంట్ న్యూట్రిషన్? ఓకే, now factors. Factors nothing but material. What are the important material necessary or important factors in photosynthesis? Okay, we can learn by equation. You know very well. Last class I explained 6CO2 plus 12H2O is rise to the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is the product? Glucose C6H12O6 plus water. Okay, 6 molecule of water plus 6CO2 oxygen gas escaping atmosphere. What are the material required? This is carbon dioxide is required, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Chlorophyll nothing but chloroplast. Okay, మనకు కావాల్సిన మెటీరియల్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్ కు కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్, వాటర్, సన్లైట్ మరియు క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్. వీటి ద్వారా మొక్కలు వాటి యొక్క ఆహార పదార్థాలను తయారు చేసుకుంటాయి. With the help of this material, plant they can prepare the food. Whether right or wrong, we can prove by with the different types of experiment. Today we can learn some experiment, carbon dioxide experiment, and sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. About chloroplast, and at the end release the oxygen. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many? 4 experiments. ఈ 4 ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ల నుంచి మన బోర్డు ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇప్పుడు ఖచ్చితంగా అడుగుతారు. ఓకే, ఈ రోజు ఈ 4 నుంచి తెలుసుకుందాం. Important factors. In the first one, carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. It is necessary, or we can prove by one experiment. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. It is also called as moles of leaf experiment. Moles, it is a scientist name. Moles, that we are using of leaf only. Of leaf experiment. It is also called as carbon dioxide essential for photosynthesis or moles of leaf experiment. మనకు బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్ యొక్క ప్రాధాన్యత లేదా మోల్స్ నిరూపించిన ఆకు యొక్క పరీక్ష ఈ 2 రకాలుగా అడగొచ్చు. ఓకే, నా ఫస్ట్ వన్ aim to prove that carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. This is aim. Next one, apparatus. What are the apparatus in board exam? Children, listen. One by one, you write down sequence order. Like you write like this, you get good marks. ఒకటి కింద ఒకటి రాస్తే మంచి మార్కులు వస్తాయి, మంచిగా నీట్ గా కనబడుతుంది. ఓకే, విత్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ carbon dioxide exchange. What is the required? Wide mouth glass bottle, next one, healthy potted plant, healthy potted plant. Third one, KOH solution, KOH means potassium hydroxide solution. Okay. Fourth one, splitted cork. Splitted cork, splitted ఇట్లా రెండుగా పగిలిపోయిన కార్క్. ఇవి ముఖ్యమైన వైడ్ మౌతెడ్ గ్లాస్ బాటిల్, పోటెడ్ ప్లాంట్, KOH solution and a splitted cork. Okay, next diagram. With the diagram you can learn very easy. This is healthy potted plant, okay, leaves, take a wide mouth glass bottle, okay, now you see. This is called a healthy potted plant, wide mouth glass bottle. Okay, this is KOH solution. KOH solution. It is a long narrow leaf. Long narrow leaf. This is called splitted cork. Okay. Now procedure. Procedure. First, you select a healthy potted plant. transfer into dark room for a few nights because of free from starch. Before conducting the experiment, you select a cleaned wide mouth glass bottle. Cleaned wide mouth glass bottle. In that you take 10 ml of K-wood solution. 10 ml of K-wood solution. And you take a splitted cork like this. Okay, which is the downside leaf you arrange in the middle of the splitted cork. The cork fits into the mouth of the glass bottle. If any leakage of air, that's why this area you apply the grease or Vaseline in the splitted area because of prevent the leakage of air. Then this total exhibit you keep corner for few hours. Okay. Next, observation. What you observe? Okay. After few hours, you did attach the leaf. You take out from the bottle and you do the iodine test. By iodine test, you take a petri dish. By iodine test, what you observe is leaf, narrow leaf. This is inside the bottle. This is outside the bottle. Okay, half of the leaf, half inside, half outside. Which part is outside? Outside the bottle, it changed into dark blue in color. Inside the bottle, there is no change. There is no change in color. Why? Because inside the bottle, if any carbon dioxide is there, they are absorbed by KOH solution. Absence of carbon dioxide. There is no change in color, pale in color. Outside, they receive the carbon dioxide. They change into dark blue in color. Okay. Last one, result. This is you observe. Inside the bottle, there is no change in color. Outside the bottle of leaf, change into dark blue in color. Last one, result. What is the result? By this experiment, we prove that carbon dioxide is necessary or essential for photosynthesis. What is the result? By this experiment, carbon dioxide gas is essential for photosynthesis. Here, precaution, very, very important about precautions. Precaution means very, very important. Inside the bottle, this leaf, it should not touch to the KOH solution. What is the precaution? This leaf, it should not touch to the KOH solution. If it touch to the KOH solution, reaction will change. Color will change. Any doubt? Okay. Next factor. Next one, light. Light nothing but sunlight. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Without light, plants they cannot prepare the food. That we can prove by experiment. First one, A. Same to prove that. What is the aim? What is the aim? To prove that light is essential for photosynthesis. Light is necessary or essential. Necessary for photosynthesis. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, మొక్కలు సూర్యకాంతిలో ఆహారాన్ని తయారు చేసుకుంటాయి అని మనం నిరూపించాలి. దానికి ఏంటి ఎయిమ్, ఉద్దేశం ఏంటి, టు ప్రూవ్ దట్ లైట్ ఈజ్ నెసెసరీ ఫర్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద apparatus? What are the apparatus is required? I said in board exam you write sequence order 1, 2, 3 like that you write. First one, light screens, different shapes of light screens, healthy potted plant, healthy potted plant, light screens. Okay, next one, procedure. With the diagram I want to explain. First one, healthy potted plant. This is healthy potted plant. Okay, it is also called as black paper experiment. Very, very important. This experiment is also called as black paper experiment. First, you select a healthy potted plant with broad leaves, transfer into dark room for few nights because of free from starch. అంటే ఈ మొక్కలను చీకటి గదిలో ఉంచాలి. ఉంచడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, దానిలో ఉన్న పిండి పదార్థం అంతా ఖర్చు అయిపోతుంది. అప్పుడు మనం ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఇంటూ డార్క్ రూమ్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూ నైట్స్, few days because of free from starch. Before conducting the experiment, you select a healthy potted plant, different leaves. On leaf, you arrange the light screens. It is also called as black leaf experiment. Different shapes of light screens. Light screens, nothing but it is available. Otherwise, you select a leaf, black cardboard, paper cardboard leaf. You cut into shapes, your choice. Letters, maybe S letter shape like this. Or letter L shape. Letter L, different shapes. Okay, otherwise you take a paper cardboard, you cut the different shapes of letters on leaf. For example, this is leaf means one upper black paper, lower side one, and both sides is stacking. Then this total exhibit you keep under the sunlight for few hours. This total exhibit you keep under the sunlight for few hours. Okay, next one, observation. Procedure over. Next, observation. After few hours, you did attach the leaf. Leaf you separate from the plant, dip in the iodine solution. After iodine test, Which area leaf, this is open, no, this area exposed to sunlight. Remaining area covered like this. This area exposed to sunlight, dotted part exposed to sunlight. This is also exposed to sunlight. Which area exposed to sunlight? Which area exposed to sunlight? That area change into dark blue in color. Which area it is not exposed to sunlight? Okay, and this area. This area, it is not exposed to sunlight. Covered with black paper, no? This area covered with black paper. Remaining this area. Okay. There is no change in color. Remaining area, this area not exposed to sunlight. So there is no change in color. It is pale in color. That is observation. What is the result? Result or conclusion, final. By this experiment, we prove that light is essential for photosynthesis. By this experiment, we prove that light is essential for photosynthesis. Any doubt? Okay. Okay, next experiment. Oxygen gas. O2. Oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. Okay. Now next experiment, oxygen gas. We are already studied photosynthesis. After respiration, release oxygen gas. Whether released or not, we can prove by experiment. First one, aim. Aim. To prove that oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. Whether right or wrong, we can prove. What is the aim? To prove that oxygen gas is released during photosynthesis. Okay. Now, apparatus. First one, glass beaker. With water. Second one, glass test tube. Third one, hydrilla plant. Fourth one, glowing splinter. These are the required. One is glass beaker with water, glass test tube, hydrilla plant, glowing splinter, and one more funnel, glass funnel. Fifth one, funnel. Glass funnel. These are the required. Now experiment with the diagram I want to explain. First one, beaker. Glass beaker. Fill 3/4 of water. Three by fourth of water. Take a first funnel. Here insert the funnel, you insert hydrilla pegs. Hydrilla pegs. And you take a funnel, arrange on mouth of the funnel. Okay. Now listen. This is diagram procedure. Select a healthy plant, hydrilla. This is funnel. Arrange in the funnel. This hydrilla, small ticks, arrange properly in the mouth of the funnel. And you take a glass beaker, fill 3/4 of water. This arrange in the funnel. Okay, hydrilla plants we arrange, you know, that funnel arrange in the bottom of the glass beaker. Then you take a glass test tube filled with water. Inward proportionally, you arrange on mouth of the funnel. This total exhibit you keep under the sunlight for few hours. After few hours, what happened in this you can observe. That is called observation. After few hours, from hydrilla tins to release air bubbles. From hydrilla tins to air bubbles escape into bottom of the test tube or top of the test tube. What you observe? After few hours, hydrilla plant branches to release air bubbles escape into top of the test tube. After collecting sufficient of gas, this is first colorless gas. Colorless gas. Okay, next, with help of thumb finger, you take out the test tube, close the mouth of the test tube, and you take out the test tube. You take a burning splinter, pass near the mouth of the test tube, and open the thumb like this. Here, pass the burning splinter. The burning splinter will burn brightly and vigorously. Then burning splinter will burn brightly and vigorously. What is the conclusion? What is the result final? By this experiment, we prove that in plant or especially in hydrilla plant, release gas is oxygen. Why? Because oxygen gas only they have a capacity to burn. Increase the burning sphincter, they can burn. By this experiment, we prove that oxygen gas is released in this process. Any doubt up to here? Okay. Next topic. These are important factors. How many I explained? 4 experiment. One is carbon dioxide gas is essential for photosynthesis. Light is essential for photosynthesis. Third one, oxygen gas is essential for photosynthesis. 3 experiment. Out of 3, one is important in board exam. Next topic, chloroplast. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are located in the mesophyll cells of the parenchyma. Mesophyll cells of the leaf. Chloroplast surrounded by 3 membranes. It is a disc shape. It is covered with 3 membranes. It is in disc shape, oval in shape. Inner membrane folded into grana or plate-like structures. This is colorless fluid filled in the chloroplast. It is called stroma. This total colorless fluid. Colorless fluid is called stroma. This is called grana. On grana, one membrane is present that is called thylakoid membrane. On grana, thylakoid membrane is present. On thylakoid membrane, accessory pigments are present like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. On thylakoid, this is thylakoid membrane. It is also called as granum thylakoid. On thylakoid, accessory pigments are present like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and other accessory pigments are present like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthanoids, actinoids are present. They trap the sunlight, it undergoes the photosynthesis. Okay? Tomorrow we can learn about internal structure of leaf, mechanism of photosynthesis, very, very important. Today, last topic is chloroplast. It is located in the mesophyll cells of the leaf. It is surrounded by 3 membranes, outer membrane, middle membrane, inner membrane folded into grana. Total filled with colorless fluid is called stroma. On grana, one membrane is present that is called thylakoid membrane. That is called thylakoid membrane. On thylakoid membrane, special pigments are present that is called accessory pigments like chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Next one, they trap the sunlight. What is the main function? They trap the sunlight. Then this chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B activated. After activation, the photosynthesis mechanism starts. That mechanism we can learn tomorrow. Up to here, you read thoroughly. Important factors I explained. Once again, listen. First one, carbon dioxide is essential for photosynthesis. Second one, light is essential for photosynthesis. Third one, oxygen evolved in photosynthesis. Fourth one, chloroplast. With diagram, practice neatly, you get good marks in board exam. Main important, neatness in biology. Okay? Thank you. Any doubt? Okay, chloroplast is diagram, very important. With the diagram you can learn, you get good marks in board exam. And sometimes in board exam they are asking these factors, sometimes procedure asking, sometimes equation asking, sometimes only observation asking. No need to write total. What they are asking, read question thoroughly. తెలుగు మీడియం పిల్లలు వినండమ్మా, బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఈ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది. ఏది అడిగితే అదే రాయాలి. ప్రొసీజర్ అడిగితే ప్రొసీజర్ రాయాలి, డయాగ్రామ్ అడిగితే డయాగ్రామ్ వేయాలి, అబ్జర్వేషన్ అడిగితే అబ్జర్వేషన్, ప్రికాషన్స్ అడిగితే ప్రికాషన్స్. అంతేగాని మొత్తం రాసి టైంని వృధా చేసుకోకండి. వాళ్ళు ఏం అడిగారు క్వశ్చన్ జాగ్రత్తగా చదవండి. చదివిన తర్వాత ఆలోచించి ఏం అడిగాడో అదే రాయండి. అన్ని లేనంత రాసి టైంను వృధా చేసుకొని నాకు టైం సరిపోలే అనొద్దు ఎగ్జామ్లో. దయచేసి పిల్లలు బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాటర్న్ లోనే ప్రిపేర్ కండి. ఓకే, ఇందులో కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్, లైట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఎవాల్వ్, క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్, ఈ నాలుగిట్లకి ఒకటి వస్తుంది ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్. కొన్నిసార్లు తింపి అడుగుతాడు క్వశ్చన్. కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ లీఫ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. లైట్ ఈజ్ ఎసెన్షియల్ ఫర్ ఫోటోసింథసిస్, దాన్ని ఎలా అడుగుతాడు? లైట్ స్క్రీన్ టెస్ట్ అని అడుగుతాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఆక్సిజన్ సేమ్, లేదా హైడ్రిల్లా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ అని అడుగుతాడు. క్లోరోప్లాస్ట్ సేమ్. ఇక్కడి వరకు బాగా చదివి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇచ్చిన దానికన్నా నేను ఎక్కువ చెప్పాను. మంచిగా చదివి అబ్జర్వేషన్, కన్క్లూజన్ ఇలాంటి నీట్ గా చదవండి. డయాగ్రామ్ మంచిగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. డయాగ్రామ్ కూడా మార్కులు ఉంటాయి. బయాలజీలో ప్రజెంటేషన్, బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ప్రజెంటేషన్ లెంత్ చూసుకొని లేబులింగ్ కిందికి రాయండి. ఇట్లా వరుసగా రాయకండి ఆపరేటర్స్. కింది ఒకటి కింద ఒకటి రాస్తే మనకు మంచిగా సరిపోతుంది. మీకు బుక్లెట్ ఇస్తారు, ఎడిషనల్స్ ఇస్తారు. నీట్ గా రాయడం నేర్చుకోండి. ఇప్పటి నుంచే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. దీనివల్ల మీకు అలవాటు అవుతుంది. బోర్డులో నీట్ గా రాసి మనం 10 GPA ఖచ్చితంగా సాధించగలుగుతాం బయాలజీ. ఓకే, అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులో ఇలాంటి అలవాటు నేర్చుకోండి. ప్రజెంటేషన్ నీట్ గా, పోయినసారి రాశారు కొంత ప్రజెంటేషన్ సరిగ్గా లేదు. మెయిన్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ పేపర్ చూడగానే ఎంత బాగా రాసింది, మార్కులు వేయాలనే ఉద్దేశం కలగాలి వాళ్ళు. అలాంటి ప్రజెంటేషన్ రాయడం నేర్చుకోండి. ఇప్పటి నుంచే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. రాయడం ఇలాగే రాసుకుంటూ చదువుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మనం 10 GPA సాధిస్తామని అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీరు కూడా ప్రయత్నం చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మనం 10 GPA సాధించి ఓకే CSRCD వాళ్ళకు మంచి పేరును ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, ఇంకేమన్నా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ ఉంది, నా నంబర్ పంపారు. మీరు ఎనీ టైం డైరెక్ట్ కాల్ చేసి కూడా అడగొచ్చామా నా నంబర్. ఓకే, ఎవరైనా ఫోటో తీసుకునేది ఉంటే మ్యాటర్ అవన్నీ ఎప్పటికప్పుడు తీసుకుంటూ చదువుతూ వెళ్ళండి. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.